Welcome to Newton Nissan. You can see more information on this vehicle at newtonnissan.com. This is a 2015 Nissan Frontier, work ready, less than 9,000 miles. It is a 4-cylinder, so very fuel efficient, automatic, all doors open. So you have the back doors which open out as well. This comes with a Bedliner and already has a nice toolbox with it, sliding rear window. Again, this is work ready, great for all kinds of different commercial applications, as well as if a person wants a truck to have for their own personal use. That would be handy as well. Always can use a truck. This is an SV model, so it comes with your standard power options, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt and cruise control. You see that the utility light up top works. You got Bluetooth hands-free phone operation. If you want to subscribe, it is a Sirius XM enabled radio as well. Of course, your FM and your AM and CD player. You've got a couple of charge ports right there, and you have a USB port, auxiliary port, and extra charge point there as well. Good space. Oh, hey, still have the original manuals. Awesome. Extra room right there. Again, this is a 4-cylinder model, automatic, and it is work ready with a utility light, Bedliner, and a very nice toolbox as well. All ready for those work projects here at newtonnissan.com.